Assalamu alaikum. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is about calligraphy using just a pencil. If you don't have any brush pens and any calligraphy pens, you can absolutely use pencil to learn them. Here I'm using Apsara pencil, one of my favorites, and also I like to use small for more grip. So let's start with the basic strokes, which is the light stroke when you're moving upwards, and then dark stroke, that's when you're moving downwards. And then the next stroke is both together, which is also called the overturn. And this stroke is the underturn. These are the very basic strokes. So now let's try out in a word. Downstroke, and then again upstroke, and downstroke, again down. Now let's see some more strokes which will make your calligraphy much better. It's first light stroke, you give no pressure for this stroke, it's very light and thin. And next is the downstroke, which is dark and very thick. Then is the overturn, and then that's just the wave using the overturn. Now the underturn, and the waveform using underturn. Practice these strokes using a worksheet. I've mentioned some in the description box below. These are the zigzag strokes. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Now I'll just show the very important strokes, which is the upstroke, downstroke, underturn, overturn, that's the overturn and underturn, and oval, ascending, and descending. If you know these strokes very well, you can do calligraphy right away. I'm just showing some alphabets using these strokes. After every stroke, take out your hands from the book and try the next stroke. I'm just trying in some words. That's the upstroke, downstroke. Again, that's kind of underturn. See, I'm taking my hands off and then doing the next stroke. And that's everything for today's video. If you find this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.